Fanabi. You know Fanabi? We watched it on the videos.
Hello, mate.
It had various layers, so you could potentially go down, but of course it will be wooden. Yeah.
You can come on the way back if you want. Oh, this is a beautiful picture. Look for me.
I know.
This is nice for a selfie. Nice selfies.
Everything is selfieable. Yeah. Stick to your left or your right. Right of my left. Is it right of my left or left of my right? That's illusion of Africa, I would call it, right? Where you get.
If you see.
It actually looks nice, actually.
The name of the beach. On the end.
It will be there. This one should be Fanabi or Fanabi, however you pronounce it. You remember the beach we were seeing with beds on, with people on beds for massage?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it starts somewhere there. It's probably where you see the bluish colors. But it seems to have some nice cocktails as well. So could be a nice place for lunch without the view. You can't use that picture without getting into trouble. Gluten-free. You see that? It's gluten-free. So you can have gluten-free pasta.
I like the beach here.
Okay. It's a better view here. Oh, this goes all the way. All right. Yeah. Seen it, done it. Still want to continue? No, I mean, I'm just. It's 1:30. 1:30. You could say it's lunchtime or not so lunch.
Shopping time.
This will be a long way for you to carry those bags. There's no. There are shops, McDonald's. Do you want to eat at McDonald's? Okay. I can sit. To fancy something? No? unless you have something very specific in mind. I don't. Just watching. Elvis bar.
Oh, you're so cute.
Huh? Elvis
So
bar.
cute. Yeah, I think we're stuck here. I think we're stuck here. Like trying to make U-turn here.
No, it goes through.
You think so?
Yes. Through your Kuala Bay.
We always say koala bear. It's koala bay.
Kuala Bay. That was Australians. Australia.
There is a pharmacy.
Good. Shall we?
This is called Cala. This is called Amalfi. Of the Amalfi Coast in Italy. So
Yeah. That's why you can slide here, like on the Amalfi's cliff. Of course. You can drive down there. If it's walkable there. You can go. Or we can take the stairs. Either way, I think this way is better.
Look at that place.
That's looks nice from here.
It's too hot. Seems people are bored.
This is air.
Start eating each other after a while. This will be cooked.
So that's the beach area. I think this has two, how do you say, passerelle. Well, like most of them. The lower one.
This is Playa de Torviscas.
No, that's just a beach. That's the names of the beach. The playa should be Canary or Torviscas. You think? Torviscas. Ah, and Canary is the next one. Torviscas. Yeah. It's written there. There are signs and story here. You see, we have got a bar on the beach. You can have a drink, or it's too cheap maybe for us.
Look at people on the top there. That's a nice hotel.
Yeah, that looks nice. It's like how do you call it? I don't know. On my map, it could be
Spanish.
It's probably
Belgisch eetcafé.
what? Google Maps.
I don't know which hotel this is.
Where did you see Belgisch? Oh, that's cafe. They're too small there. Must be boiling. That's something Belgian. It's yeah, it's very Costa. This is still Costa. What the heck?
Torviscas. But what is the name of that hotel? You can see it here.
Luma. It's Luma.
I think it's going to be very expensive. Looks like a 5-star.
It's those newly how do you call it? Newly built. I thought this was Fanabe. You see, that's what I thought. Yeah. Because we've seen.
It's private properties.
We can find it. I've seen it. Most Canaries. Let's go. Maybe we should go to that Luna Lounge. What time? It's 1:30. We've done
Unless
6.
you want to go to the other side.
Which side?
Or back to the other beach. Or do you want to sit here somewhere?
I was thinking we can sit up there
Yeah, alright. Let's have a look.
because they seem to have a free table that says my name on it. People have just left here. Yeah.
And why does it say reserved?
Where?
Go left, then you don't have to
No.
climb as much.
You think?